What if your computer didn't just follow commands, but actually worked like a smart teammate that understands everything you need? Not in the future, right now. Say hello to Manus My Computer, an AI system that turns your laptop into a fully automated digital workspace that runs tasks for you in the background. But here's the important part. This version works primarily with your local desktop environment. It doesn't just help, it takes control of repetitive work on your own machine so you don't have to. It can sort and clean your files without you touching anything, handle complex multi-step workflows, work directly with your local system and applications, all triggered by simple text instructions. In this video, I'll break down how this system works and show you real examples of what you can actually build with it. Let's jump in. Step 1. Getting started with Manus. AI first. Download and install Manus from the official link in the description. It works on both Windows and macOS. After installation, you'll land on a minimal dashboard designed for quick commands and automation control. There's also a mobile companion app, but instead of full remote control, think of it as a way to send instructions to your system locally. You don't need coding skills, just describe what you want. Example prompt: create a mobile-style gaming stats tracker with player profiles, match history, and ranking system. The AI automatically writes full source code, fixes bugs on its own. Compiles a working desktop application. This works best when all data is stored and managed locally on the same system, not as a fully online booking platform. Another example: build a medical appointment system for clinics with patient records and doctor schedules. So it's ideal for internal use cases like a small clinic using a single system to manage data. Now beyond local use, Manus also supports cloud-based features. You can generate full websites and dashboards instantly. Build a gaming community website with leaderboards, user login, and chat system. Unlike local apps, these are web-based outputs, not tied to your desktop files. Or create a hospital website with doctor profiles, service pages, and patient contact form. So here's the distinction. Local system tasks equals Manus, desktop websites, dashboards, automation at scale equals Manus Web 4, personal computer automation. Your system becomes semi-self-operating. Create reminders for all deadlines this week. These tasks run based on your system access and may depend on integrations like your calendar provider if connected. 5. Build your own automation skills. You can save repeated tasks as custom skills. One command can trigger multiple actions at once, especially useful for recurring workflows on your own machine. Perfect for content creators, developers, freelancers, small business owners, especially those who want to automate local workflows and internal systems. Manus is not just another AI tool. It's more like giving your computer a brain that works for you 24/7. But understanding the difference is key. For local automation and system control to Manus Desktop. For cloud features like websites and dashboards to Manus Web, from apps to workflows, from automation to structured systems, everything becomes faster, simpler, and more efficient. If you want to experience what a real AI-powered computer feels like, this is where it starts. Check the link in the description to get access. You'll also get 1000 credits to try it out yourself. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.